Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, look at that with it. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my store. I'm trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And they want sound. I'm also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Por favor, esperen. Alright guys, you know me, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. Maybe it will work with no problem, I don't care. I sell for parts. Maybe you want this part, this part, this part. Maybe you want to hang it because it prints your memory when you were little. In case you're new in my store, you know I take everything apart. In this case, I took the muffler out of the eyes, mixing the handle, you know, the coil, and this part right here. We're gonna see what we got. Even like that, we're gonna give it a shot to see where we're at. You can see the acceleration, everything looks good there so far. Both of the bulbs are opening. Okay, that's good. Everything over here is moving. This is what comes with the, I guess it goes there. Alright. On this side, we can see already it's been burned there a little bit. Okay, on the clutch, let me see, it's moving. Let me see if we can load it. Oh, you can see here's a little broke already. I gotta be careful. Alright, something sounded. Alright, lock. And it unlock. Alright, we're good there. Okay. I throw good pictures inside here with a flash. I'm gonna try to come to the light. It's a little difficult because of the position, but I hope that you can see a little bit here better. The inside I throw with a flash, this light, but you can see already. Remember guys, I'm trying to be fair as I can. Like that you will be fair with me when you receive the machine. That's why I take my time to do what I do, trying to be honest. Like that you already know, you know what you're getting into. My opinion, this is for parts. If you're trying to fix it, you can see a little bit there. It's up to you, it's on you, okay? Alright, enough is enough. Let's hit it. See where we are. We're good there. We're good, Roberto. Yeah, we're good. Alright, this is my meal. I think it's a STIHL MS 271 or 291. I think that's what I'm gonna put. But at least the handle I got here, it looks like it works there. That means we're gonna use that one. Why not, right? Alright, we got it there. Let me put down a little more the music, like that you can hear me a little better, since we want to do the test now. Alright. Let me put one on spark plug. It came without spark plug. I'm gonna put it without spark plug. This is my spark plug. I gotta start saving a spark plug. Things are not good lately. Alright, I'm gonna use this one. It's mine. I see it. The coil works. That's good already. That means we want to put it. Remember, always put it first with your hands and then use whatever you want to use and trying to come with a machine. That's not bueno. See, just we're doing a test. I'm going to time it like that. Of course, we got it. Alright. This goes here, remember, whatever it goes. We're going to check for gas to see where we're at. Alright, we got gas. It smells good, doesn't smell old. We don't got no oil. Okay. Alright, we're gonna heat it. I'm gonna throw a little gas here because my purpose is just to, to make sure that it's not like to go, this machine maybe been sleeping for a while, carburetor maybe it's not 100, I don't know. Remember, you accelerate both valves like that, the gas will go, that means you accelerate here, and this one of course has to be open, and you don't throw that much. All depends what type of, what is it you're doing, in this case we're doing a test. Alright, let's hit it. 1, 2, 3. Wee wee. Good, that's good. I like that. I like that. Easy girl. Look at you. Look at you, huh? Throwing numbers out there. I like it, she's not up for adoption. I hope she finds a beautiful home. Unbelievable, you can see already the way she went back for the life. This is incredible. Well, so far, this is my coil. Handle it, that means the flywheel works, coil works, all of that guys are for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix it, it's on you guys. I already explained you what I do here. I sell for parts. Thank you to visit my store and thank you, alright, for everything. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Miren cómo está ese tiempo, qué lindo el weather ese. Ha amanecido esto aquí que es una belleza. Miren eso. Anoche sí estaba más frío, hoy está normal, no nada así como que. Bueno mi gente, ya saben, en caso que usted es nuevo en mi tienda, yo desarmo todo para ser lo más honesto posible. En este caso la ladera es mía. Yo pienso que es un STIHL 251 o 291. Ya vieron que le hice una prueba, no me gusta acelerar mucho los equipos que está dando mío por tanto tiempo porque no sabemos. Entonces si tenemos una idea que la mariposa funciona y la bobina funciona porque vieron que prendió. De ahí para allá recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Por ejemplo, usted puede ser que quiera esta parte o quiera esta o ande buscando el muffler o la quiere guindar porque le trae recuerdo cuando usted era niño y la quiere guindar a la pared. Perfecto, esta es mi tienda perfecta para eso. Yo vendo para partes. Mírenme como si fuera un junkyard, lo que usted quiera. Ya vieron que esta parte aquí sufrió, eso es que le dieron, no, acuérdense que el equipo hay que dejarlo descansar, por eso siempre es bueno tener 2 o 3 de la misma y no ponerle tanto una sola. Ahí sí, claro, siguen, pero bueno, está bloqueando, vieron que bloqueó, parece lo único que cogió su temperatura, pero bueno, estas máquinas están diseñadas para todo esto. Cualquier cosita, ustedes saben, aquí estoy, ya les enseñé todo, no hay más nada que hablar, que se me una a la raza.